Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to launch an online store. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out, this video will provide you with the essential steps to get your online business up and running. Let's dive in. Step 1. Define your niche. Start by identifying a specific market or niche that you are passionate about. By focusing on a niche, you can better target your ideal customers and stand out from the competition. Step 2. Research and source suppliers. Research and identify reliable suppliers who can provide the products you want to sell in your online store. Take the time to compare prices, quality, and shipping options to ensure customer satisfaction. Step 3. Choose an e-commerce platform that suits your business needs. Many options are available, such as Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce. These platforms provide easy-to-use templates and tools to create and manage your online store. Step 4. Design your store. Customize the appearance and layout of your online store to reflect your brand. Keep it clean, user-friendly, and visually appealing. And don't forget to optimize it for mobile devices, as many customers shop on their phones. Step 5. Upload products. Start adding your products to your online store. Include high-quality images, detailed descriptions, and clear pricing information. Organize your products into categories for easy navigation. Step 6. Set up payment and shipping methods. Offer a variety of secure payment options to cater to your customers' preferences. Additionally, establish reliable shipping methods and clearly communicate any shipping policies or fees. Step 7. Test and optimize. Before officially launching, thoroughly test your online store. Ensure that all links, buttons, and forms are functioning properly. Collect feedback and make necessary improvements to enhance the user experience. Step 8. Market your store. Once your online store is live, it's time to drive traffic and generate sales. Utilize social media, email marketing, search engine optimization, and paid advertising to attract potential customers. Step 9. Monitor performance and adapt. Continuously monitor your store's performance using analytics tools. Keep an eye on key metrics like conversion rates and customer behavior. Adapt your strategies accordingly to achieve optimal results. Congratulations! You have successfully launched your online store. Remember, building a successful online business takes time and effort. Stay committed, adapt to market trends, and always prioritize customer satisfaction. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.